In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a circle into 6, 7, or 12 equal parts in PowerPoint. This is an incredibly useful skill for creating professional presentations, particularly when you want to visually break down complex information. Let's dive right in and make this quick and simple process as easy as it can be. First things first, let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation where you want to include your divided circle. If you're starting fresh with a new presentation, simply create a new slide where you want this illustration to appear. Next, direct your attention toward the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint ribbon. Clicking on this tab will reveal a host of options for inserting various elements into your slide. Here, what we're interested in is the chart option, so give that button a click. PowerPoint will then present you with a variety of chart types to choose from. Now let's focus on creating a pie chart, which is exactly what we need to divide our circle. You'll find the pie tab among the other chart options, so make sure to select that. After clicking on the pie tab, you'll see different styles of pie charts. Choose the simple 2D pie chart option to keep things clean and straightforward. This type of chart is perfect for dividing circles into equal parts. Once you've inserted the pie chart, Excel will automatically open since it's linked with PowerPoint for editing chart data. Here's where the magic happens. In the Excel spreadsheet, you'll see a couple of default values filled in. To create a circle divided into multiple parts, you're going to need to adjust and fill in this data accordingly. Let's say you want your circle divided into 6 parts. Simply add 6 equal values in the second column of the Excel sheet. For example, you can type 1 6 times, each in a new row, which will evenly slice your circle into 6 identical segments. If you aim for 7 or 12 divisions, just ensure you add an equal number of any value that sums up to your desired count, like 1 or any other consistent digit. Your values don't need to be complex, just uniform, to achieve perfectly equal slices. Remember, you can always tweak the data and visualize the changes live in your PowerPoint pie chart. It's that easy. Once satisfied with your divisions, go back to your PowerPoint slide and adjust the style of your pie chart if necessary to match the theme and aesthetic of your presentation. And that's it, you've successfully divided a circle into equal parts using PowerPoint, perfectly tailored for your presentation needs. Double SIDS.